You are listening to Connection Quest, where every episode is a heartwarming journey to unravel the mysteries of love, intimacy, and the art of meaningful relationships. Join Miku as he explores the real, sometimes messy, always meaningful paths to building stronger, more vibrant romantic bonds. Forget quick fixes. We're digging into the heart of connection, understanding, communication, intimacy, and growing together. Ready to deepen your relationship journey? Let's begin.
Welcome back to Connection Quest, everyone. Today, we're journeying across the sometimes treacherous terrain of trust in relationships. Good to have you here, Dr. Fort. Ready to unpack this with me?
Absolutely, Miku. Trust is such a crucial foundation in any relationship, yet it's often misunderstood both in how it develops and how it can be shattered. It's a privilege to dive into this with you and our listeners.
And when trust breaks, it can feel like a bridge collapsing beneath us, can't it? One moment, you're on solid ground, and the next, everything feels uncertain. But let's start with understanding why trust is so pivotal.
Absolutely. Trust allows us to feel safe, to be vulnerable, and to connect deeply with our partners. It's like a mutual agreement that we're here for each other. Without it, intimacy wanes, and every interaction gets clouded by doubt.
Exactly. And when trust is intact, it's like handing over the keys to your most fragile parts, knowing they'll be cared for. But when those keys are lost or misused, it can lead to profound hurt. You've dealt with this in counseling settings a lot, right?
Many times, Miku, I've seen trust broken in myriad ways, from breaches of honesty, infidelity, to even small promises being repeatedly broken. Each instance chips away at the bond that partners have painstakingly built.
And it doesn't always have to be a major betrayal, right? Sometimes it's those micro-betrayals, little lies or omissions, that accumulate over time and cause serious damage.
Precisely. The erosion of trust is often gradual. Those micro-betrayals stack up, making it difficult for partners to give each other the benefit of the doubt. It's like a crack in a dam. Eventually, it gives way to a flood.
So what do we do, Vieux, when we're in the midst of that flood, feeling buried by doubts and insecurity? What's the first step in beginning to rebuild?
The first step, as counterintuitive as it sounds, is to pause. Before rushing to fix things, both partners need to take a moment to reflect on what happened and why. It's crucial to understand the underlying issues that led to the breach.
Reflection requires honesty, doesn't it? Both with ourselves and with each other. Sometimes that's the hardest part, acknowledging where things went wrong without pointing fingers.
Exactly. It involves vulnerability, which is scary but necessary. Apologies should be sincere and specific, acknowledging the hurt done without qualifiers. Both parties need to be willing to open up about their feelings and fears.
Sincere apologies can be so transformative. It's about expressing, I know I hurt you, and I'm sorry for that specific action. Not, I'm sorry you were hurt, which shifts the blame.
Absolutely. Taking responsibility without defensiveness or deflection is key. And moving forward, trust isn't an event. It's a process. It's re-earned through consistent actions over time.
Exactly, Vieux. Routine acts of dependability help rebuild that sense of reliability. For some, it might mean regular check-ins or reaffirming commitments, or having open dialogues about insecurities as they arise.
Creating space for these conversations is crucial. Partners need to be there for each other, listening without judgment. This opens the door to understanding and healing.
Rebuilding trust also leads us inward, right? There's an element of personal growth involved, understanding our emotional triggers and how they influence our actions in the relationship.
Yes, self-awareness is a big part of this journey. Working on our own vulnerabilities and insecurities helps prevent future misunderstandings. It's not just about learning to trust our partner again. It's about learning to trust ourselves, too.
Trusting our instincts and emotions can be difficult, especially if we've been misled or hurt in the past, but it's essential for moving forward.
Precisely, Miku. Our past experiences shape our present selves, and acknowledging that reality is crucial for healing. At its core, rebuilding trust is an opportunity for growth for both partners and individually.
And I think it's important to highlight that this process, while challenging, can ultimately lead to a more resilient and compassionate connection than before.
Right. Relationships are never static. They evolve. The broken bridge of trust, once mended with care and intention, can be stronger. It takes time and effort, but the reward, a deeper, more empathetic connection, is worth it.
Beautifully put, Vieux. And for our listeners embarking on this challenging yet rewarding path, know that each step you take towards rebuilding trust is also a step towards understanding and compassion, not just between you and your partner, but also with yourself.
Indeed, Miku. It's about letting go of the past and looking forward to a future where trust, once again, thrives in your relationship.
Thank you for being here, Vieux. It's been an enlightening discussion. To our listeners, keep courage close and take heart in the journey to rebuilding. Join us next time on Connection Quest as we continue to explore the depths of love, intimacy, and human connection.
Right. Relationships are never static. They evolve. The broken bridge of trust, once mended with care and intention, can be stronger. It takes time and effort, but the reward, a deeper, more empathetic connection, is worth it.
Beautifully put, Vieux. And for our listeners embarking on this challenging yet rewarding path, know that each step you take towards rebuilding trust is also a step towards understanding and compassion, not just between you and your partner, but also with yourself.
Indeed, Miku. It's about letting go of the past and looking forward to a future where trust, once again, thrives in your relationship.
Thank you for being here, Vieux. It's been an enlightening discussion. To our listeners, keep courage close and take heart in the journey to rebuilding. If you've been on this journey, send us your stories on Instagram @ConnectionQ. We'd love to feature your insights in a future Q&A episode.